Big battle for 3 key Himachal Assembly by-polls. Anurag Thakur vs Sukhu. Battle for prestige. Will Thakur be able to reverse Hamirpur setback? Congress to repeat 1st June performance in by-polls? Will Saffron Party counter Congress dominance? The by-polls for the 3 assembly seats in Himachal Pradesh that were lying vacant after the resignations of independent MLAs will be conducted on July 10. BJP MP from Hamirpur Anurag Thakur is leaving no stone unturned to ensure victory in the by-polls. The former Union Minister has been camping in his constituency in Himachal Pradesh for several days to campaign for the BJP candidates. BJP win in the upcoming by-polls is crucial for Anurag Thakur as 2 of these seats, Dehra and Hamirpur, fall within the Hamirpur Lok Sabha constituency. Remember, the Hamirpur constituency is currently being represented by Anurag Thakur, who has won from here for 5 consecutive terms since 2008. Prior to that, Thakur's father, Prem Kumar Dhumal, the former Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister, had represented the constituency 3 times. The 3rd seat is Nalagarh, which is a part of the Shimla Lok Sabha constituency. Thakur has been campaigning for the party candidates extensively. He addressed half a dozen public meetings in Hamirpur on July 7 in support of BJP candidate Ashish Sharma, who is contesting fighting polls from Hamirpur seat. Earlier on July 6, Thakur was also in Dehra, where he held various meetings as part of his campaign for BJP candidate Hosher Singh. But the battle won't be an easy one. Congress party has also been campaigning extensively for elections. Himachal Pradesh CM Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has fielded his wife Kamlesh Thakur from Dehra's seat. She will be making her poll debut from Congress's ticket. Apart from Dehra, Sukhu has also stepped up his campaign for the Congress candidates in the other 2 seats. The electoral contest is being seen as a prestige battle for the Himachal CM as he comes from Hamirpur's Nadaun. These seats fell vacant after 3 independent MLAs who resigned from their post after voting in favor of BJP nominee Harsh Mahajan in the February Rajya Sabha polls. They have been fielded by the BJP from their respective seats for the by-polls. While KL Sharma has been fielded from Hamirpur, KL Thakur and Hosher Singh Chambyal will contest from Nalagarh and Dehra respectively. CM Sukhu is also aiming to clinch these by-polls to send out a message of the Congress's hold in the state amid reported discontent in the party. Moreover, the BJP's victory in the last Lok Sabha polls has only made things difficult for the Congress. Anurag Thakur will be looking to replicate the Lok Sabha performance in the assembly by-polls as well. In the Lok Sabha elections, the former minister defeated Congress candidate Satpal Raijada with a margin of over 180,000 votes in Hamirpur. Thakur got leads in all its 17 assembly segments, but this could not then translate in the by-polls held in his constituency simultaneously.